Meet Matthew, George and John. As part of a tyre factory team, they know how important it is to meet their production targets and not to waste materials or have machines sitting idle. That's why they love Asset Agent, an innovative little production automation system from Identec Solutions. Asset Agent turns a factory mired in manual processes to one of automated excellence. It uses a transponder system, which is easy to install and needs no maintenance, with an exchangeable battery that lasts up to 5 years. Its simple traffic light approach gives visual feedback at a glance. Asset Agent easily scales to keep track of thousands of carriers and works seamlessly with existing production management software. Asset Agent limits the human errors that drive productivity down. Thanks to its pick-by-light functionality, George finds all carriers immediately. This reduces idle time, minimizes waste, and maximizes the productivity of the factory. Asset Agent provides Matthew with real-time data, giving him full visibility of all material carriers. Asset Agent tells him when they are loaded, stored, and put into production. Now, Matthew, George and John can boast productivity improvements of 3%, with none of the frustrations of manual processes. No more waste, no more idle time, greater productivity. That's Asset Agent by Identec Solutions.